Hi everyone, welcome back to some more 3D printing. I'm Agustin from Ballistic, and today I want to share with you my experience applying a Voronoi style to some of my models. The story starts with Ben from Hawk 3D Pro, so a 3D printing store based in the UK. He sent me some protopasta filaments to play with, link in the description, and he sent me some blue matte fiber HTPLA from protopasta, and my girlfriend fell in love with it. For real, like, she was super excited when she saw it for the first time. She asked me to surprise her printing something using this blue HTPLA, and I thought about combining a Voronoi style print with protopasta's filaments. I wanted to create a Voronoi model myself, so I found out there were some options in Mesh Mixer, but as you can see, what it really does with my low poly models are these kind of pipes on the edges, and that's not what I'm looking for. I kept searching and trying other options, and then I found the solution, which is called Voronator.com. Yes, it's a free online Voronoi converter. We went from the classic Low Poly Squirtle 100 polygons to this in just 3 clicks. Even though there aren't many options on the website, I want to show you the conversion and printing process, as there are some details you may want to know. In Voronator.com, the first thing we need to do is upload an STL file. I uploaded my standard Low Poly Squirtle. Once selected, we move to the advanced options. In output format, I always recommend STL if you are going to 3D print it. Then we are going to move to the number of holes option. This one is the most important option. There are 3 options: less holes, standard, and more holes. In my case, I prefer to use the standard or the more holes options, as I find them easier to print. If you select the less holes options, the holes will be bigger and the printed area smaller. It will look better, but it will be much more difficult to print. Then, moving back to the advanced options, in the thickness of the new layer I selected thicker, as it will also help when printing. Once we've selected everything, we click on the Start button, and after some seconds we will have a Voronoi style STL file, which you can download in a regular version or a simplified one with less polygons. Once you've got your STL file, I recommend you to do one thing before printing. In my case, using Cura, what I did was to lower the model and cut it. Just like 1 millimeter. This way I got a horizontal cut on the bottom and more printing surface on the first layer. If you print your model without cutting a little bit the bottom part, the print may fail, as there is very little addition from the bottom layer. I printed the Voronoi model on the Trainus by Kodama using protopasta matte fiber HTPLA. I used this easy trick and it printed great. I must say I'm super happy with the result. The protopasta matte fiber HTPLA filament looks amazing when printed, and it also looks super resistant. In fact, it doesn't even feel like PLA. This print is super hard. Also, apart from testing this protopasta filament, which I must say I love, at least now, I created a Voronoi version of all the low poly Pokemons I did first: Bulbasaur, Squirtle, and Charmander, and there's a link in the description where you can download the STL files. That's it for this mini adventure and this week's video. If you have any questions about this little Squirtle, use the comment section below and I will answer as fast and good as possible. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and check my Patreon page for some more updates. Also, huge thanks to all my supporters for making these videos possible. I hope you've enjoyed with this video, and see you next time.